oil exploration the proceeds from oil exploration should go into 5 key areas. 1 is the protection of the environment. 2 must be economic empowerment, especially for the communities where the oil is being, it's being exploited. Is it exploited? Extracted? And the areas where the oil pipeline is go through. But we want to appreciate your efforts, especially in areas of ancillary advantages like technology transfer. What ECOP does to how people feel is what is going to last for a generation, and we want to be part of it with you to make sure that your program is successful for the country, Uganda, for the company, for the kingdom, for the ordinary person in the village.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.